Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'd like to show you how to use some of the common Excel functions and then formulas, how to perform your calculations while you're using Microsoft Excel. So without wasting much time, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Pierre Manuel. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't be missing such good contents that I always upload on a weekly basis. So let's dive into our video and let's open our Microsoft Excel, where I'll be showing you how to use the formulas and then the functions of Microsoft Excel. So let's open our blank workbook. To make this video short, I'm going to be using a document that has already been saved. So I'm going to open this one here, which is already typed. As you can see, it's called performance. So I'm going to be using this example here, show you how to use most of the common formulas and functions that we always come across when we're using Microsoft Excel. So using this example here of creating a report card, basing on what we have here on our workbook sheet 1, we are going to be coming across, we are going to be using some of the functions like functions and formulas like the sum, which is a formula. We shall also use the if function. Shall come across the average function, the rank function. So now to find their total, we are going to be using the sum function. So the total is just a matter of adding the marks for the different subjects. So let's enter our formula. So in Excel, every formula or every calculation begins with an equal sign. So we enter our equal sign, then we type the sum, we open bracket or the parentheses, then we select the range where we want the sum to be taken, then we close and then we enter. There we have our total, and then we just come and copy this same formula down, and then the same operation will be carried out for the other students. So that will save you a ton of time, so don't have to waste time there. That is what Excel is there for, to make life easy based on calculations. So we come to the next one. So with this one we are already done. We are done with the sum. So now let's come to finding the average. So for this one here, we're going to be using this. So we want to find average, we come and enter equal sign, type in average, then we select the range, and we close. So our average, the range is from cell B3 to F3. So we press enter, and then there you go. The first student, Mike, his average is 68.6, and then we copy this down, and then everyone else will be how their average is calculated, so as you can see. So for this next step here, finding the position, we are going to use the rank formula. So to find the position of the students in the class, so we come and use the rank formula. So we enter equal sign rank, we open parentheses, then we are going to rank using the average. So we are going to rank, so the number is there, so we are ranking H3, and then we get to the reference. So we are comparing cell reference H3 to other cell references. So the cell reference is here, then we close. But then we still have one more thing to do before we continue, to press the enter key, because if we go ahead and enter this operation, or we execute it immediately, to bring for us an Excel error, because this cell reference here has to be constant when you're ranking, because we are ranking from one particular group of people, like just the only one class, not any other, so it's not changing, it's constant. So since the cell reference is constant, we have to introduce the dollar sign. So when it's like this, we execute. So we can see that the first student on the list, the position is 2, based on the formula of rank that we have used. So once we copy this down, we can see that the best student was Joseph, so on. So everyone has their position. So for the last part here, the comment section, we are going to be using the if function. So the if function enables you to specify 2 different calculations based on a certain condition. So let's go ahead and enter our if function. If, what's the logical test? So we are going to either use the total column or the average to carry out the comment. So for this case, I'm going to use the average. So if h3, cell reference h3 is greater, let's say it's greater than 50, let's say the average of that particular student is 50, what will be the end result if it's true? If it's true, we shall say the student has qualified. Then if it's false, we shall say unqualified. There you go. So we enter. So we can see that when we're done with this, we can see that Mike was qualified since he meets the standard or the criteria, and we see that there's only one student who didn't qualify, whose average is below 50, and that's 48.4. So that is it for today's video. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos that I'll be dropping in this channel. Thank you for watching.